How do Chown and Chmod impact Linux file permissions? Imagine you have a box of tools, and you want to decide who can use which tools and what they can do with them. In Linux, managing who owns files and what they can do is essential for keeping your system secure and organized. Two commands help you do this: Chown and Chmod. They work together but serve different purposes. Chown stands for Change Owner. It lets you change who owns a file or directory. Ownership is split into a user owner and a group owner. The user owner is the person who has primary control over the file, while the group owner is a collection of users with shared access. For example, if you run Chown John developers filename.txt, you set the user owner to John and the group owner to developers. Only users with special privileges, like root or with sudo rights, can change ownership. This command is useful when you want to transfer control of files or assign them to specific users or groups. It helps keep your files organized and secure by making sure the right people have control. Chmod stands for Change Mode. It controls what actions users can perform on a file or directory. Permissions include reading, writing, and executing. Reading allows viewing the content, writing allows changing it, and executing runs the file as a program. You can set permissions using symbolic notation like U is equal to RW, G is equal to R, O is equal to R, or numeric notation like 644. For example, Chmod U plus X, script.sh adds execute permission for the owner and group. You can also apply permission changes to all files and subfolders within a directory by adding the R flag. This command is all about controlling what users can do with files once they have access. Together, Chown and Chmod give you complete control over your files. Chown decides who owns the file and which group it belongs to. Chmod determines what that owner group and others can do with the file. For example, after changing ownership with Chown, you might set permissions with Chmod to allow only certain users to read or modify the file. This combination helps keep your system secure and makes sure users only access what they're supposed to. Understanding how these commands work is a core part of Linux concepts. And like some other operating systems, Linux separates ownership from permissions. This separation offers a lot of flexibility. You can assign ownership to specific users and then fine-tune what they can do with files. It's a powerful way to manage multi-user environments, whether on a personal computer or a large server. Knowing how to use Chown and Chmod effectively ensures your files stay secure and accessible only to the right people.